We will now look at conducting a clean keg transfer to remove yeast cakes as well as adding additional flavor infusions to your iGulu beer. Note, skip over the flavor infusion chamber instructions if you only want to do a keg transfer. First, place your flavor infusion chamber onto a scale and press tare to reset the weight. Next, pour in either hops pellets, fruit peels, or any other ingredients you would like to infuse. Gently drop the infusion chamber into an empty keg. Firmly seal the keg lid with the downstem attached. Attach and lock the keg collar. Take the dispensing tube from the empty keg and gently remove the dispensing coupler by firmly pulling it out of the tube end. Now, insert the same dispensing coupler you just removed into the other end of the dispensing tube that's connected to the keg with beer inside of the iGulu unit. Note, the clamp should be clamped tight to prevent any flow of beer at this time. Insert the dispensing coupler into the empty iGulu keg outside of the iGulu unit. Now, go to the screen at the front of the iGulu unit and navigate to Cooler, then CO2 mode. Tap on CO2 mode, then hit Start. You will immediately start to hear the iGulu unit pump CO2 into the keg with beer. Unclamp the clamp on the dispensing tube, and you will begin to see the beer flow from one keg to the other. This is aided by the difference in height and pressure between the two kegs. When the transfer slows down or stops, visually inspect the keg inside the iGulu unit to see if there is any beer left. If there is not, exit the cooling mode to stop additional CO2 from being pumped. Then, manually release any remaining pressure inside the keg, inside the iGulu unit. Uncouple attachments on both kegs and you're done. You can put the newly transferred keg of beer immediately into the iGulu unit for cooling, or you can place it inside your fridge for enjoying later.